Which one you like?
This one.
Baba, he wants to hold it, Baba. That's what he likes. You know this one? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Actually, color.
What is this?
Like in
See, he knows. You like it or no? Same your puppy. Same his puppy. But his puppy now is broken.
The same.
Yeah, it's broken. Which one you like?
Which one you want?
Which
This
color?
one or this color?
The white or the beige?
You want to
Huh?
buy this?
It's nicer. Duck. Different colors. And the last one is the car. Show it to Mama. Nice car. What kind of car is this?
With car.
Huh?
With car.
What?
With car.
Pickup truck? Finished? Oh, okay. Let's put it in the to the kitchen. Dali, come here. Uy. How many pickup truck you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many?
10 pickup trucks. Wow! Too much buildings.
Too much building. Oh, very tall building. Skyscraper, right?
Why is
Who did this? Who made this one?
Zero.
Wow, bravo Zaid. Bravo.
It
Zaid is back and we get the house messy again. He will play all his toys and scatter them on the floor and doesn't know how to clean up. Only Mama. Right?
I found something that I found something. Up and down.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's there.
يلا يا زلمه.
Wow!
Wow. Now tell me, is it the same one like this or not? Same?
Me!
Mama did it. It's very complicated. It took for me 1 or 2 hours, Baba. It's very hard. Show it to Mama. Show it to Mama. Hey, show it to Mama, the ambulance. Show. Look at his face, Baba. He's very happy. No. No, when he was 8.
Oh, wow!
Just curious. How about the toy, babe? Let me see your toy. Wow.
Police truck.
Police truck. What's that?
Police truck.
Police trucks. Too much toys already. Oh, too much toys. Oh.
Back, I got out here.
Oh, wait, baby. Mama not done. Sige.
So you will put this here and then untie thick. They have to loosen it and then
Put it back.
tight it. So it was
The
like
button
this.
is here down. Show it. Here's the button. Press the button, so the wheels will move. No? You like more? See that one. That's the one I like more also.
I like, but the problem is now you are in the car.
Sige. Oh, bicycle. Sige, Zedo.
Too hard.
It's too hard. You don't know how to ride. It's nicer. Duck.
Daddy.
Different colors. Want to open it now? Huh? Okay, Baba will open it. Okay? Okay, Zedo will. See, he knows what to do. Sige. That is Mama's finger. It's finger puppet. Okay, Zedo will put the finger puppet. Done? Oh, bravo, Zaid. Sige, sing. Which one you want to give to your friend? Huh? Which one? For you and your friend. Let me see. Oh, it sounds. Like that one more, Zaid. See? Which one you like? I think the Jeep, the off-road Jeep. Oh. Oh, no, not charged Zido, unfortunately. Not charged yet. Small for him, no? He has similar size. The red, you know, the red one. Look.
Same. Yeah, this is.
Oy, do not. Mama.
Don't have license, sir.
No license yet.
Legal violation.
Sige.
Yalla, push,
Sige.
push. Push, yalla, push.
Push, you know it. You forgot? You have the same one. Oh, drive that side, see?
Yalla, take it, yalla, bite. Yalla,
That's the one. How about there's a shark, Baba?
خلاص خلاص.
Zido, there's a shark.
What shark?
Shark.
تعال تعال لا لا لا.
Shark or dino?
Dino, dino.
This is Zido's dino car. Oh, dino truck. What is this, Zaid? Dino truck. Oh, dino truck with 4 cars inside. How about the other side? Muffy? Only 4.
1, 2, and 3, 4.
4 cars. The rails are done. Now the train. It's magnet. See? Remove. Now it will connect. Cheng. Oh, wow. Okay. Sige. Go play. Play your train.
Now leave it. It will go by itself. Leave it.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can. Yeah, it's back to back. You can go like this. Oh, go back. See?
Now I go back
Yeah, go under the tunnel, under the bridge or the tunnel.
under
See?
the bridge.
Yeah, see?
Up. Leave it.
Oh. Disconnect. He said disconnect. Now under the bridge.
Now, top of the bridge.
Top of the bridge. On the bridge. Like that. Very good. Oh!
Now I'm going.
Yes. You like it? Happy? Did you say thank you to Baba?
Thank you to Baba.
Look here, Bea, and smile. Look here, look at Mama. Look at the camera. Smile. What?
You buy this one.
Oh, Zido will play the train.
Choo choo.
When Zaid is home, our house is messy. Look, huh? And he's climbing. Come on. Down, Zaid, down.